a brand new disposal. And feeling around inside, there's just nothing. So what the heck is hidden? Maybe it's like a coin, or feels maybe like the knockout. Got a finger on it. Oh my gosh, it's like a washer or something up in the back right corner. And it's not going to be easy to get out of there. It's really jammed in there. Oh my gosh. Oop. Got my finger on it. It doesn't move a tiny bit. Oh gosh. Got my finger on it. First I couldn't find it. I think I'm gonna get it. Alright. Let's see if you can see it with my phone. Let's see. Come on, buddy. Flash. Fit. It's kind of crazy with the phone, but kind of gross. But it's brand new, so. Boy, can you see? Not really, huh? Oh my gosh. Can't really see it. And now my phone's stuck. Come on, buddy. Crazy. Trying to wiggle it loose. Gosh dang it. See if I can get a better angle with my phone. Let's see. No? No. Gosh dang it. Maybe that's a bad idea. Maybe it's got nothing to do with it. That's a bad idea. Oh gosh, come on. I can feel the darn thing, but I can't seem to get it. It's wedged under the front. I may have to pop it down and pop the ring off. That's kind of a rare thing. And try taking my screwdriver part off. Oh gosh, no room for my hand. Can also try with my Leatherman. Man, got my finger under it. Try the screwdriver portion maybe, or the chisel, and get an angle. Oh my gosh. It's going to be a tough one. Okay. Well, that's not working. Let me show you how to pop this down. And about the easiest way. I'm going to undo it from here. See if I have something handy to catch in the water. That's just my drywall bucket. Okay. And the garbage disposal and all is going to come down. And the cord, it's probably a good idea to unplug it to be safe. Okay, so we're going to drop this down. I'm going to dump the disposal. So what we have to do is turn this part out and then drop it down. Now it's still connected at the air gap. There we go. Dump the water. Okay. And now what we're going to do is pop the top gasket off. Use the screwdriver. Get under here. We can take that off and then we can see inside there better. There it is. It's the knockout plug. Gosh. So the installer knocked the knockout plug right into the disposal. There it is. Okay. So if you had small hands and you couldn't get in there, or you had something you couldn't get out, that's one way that you could do it. So now we got the gasket. This just is going to press over the outside here. Good place to show it. Everything's so busy. Here we go. Now that's it, we're going to pop this back in to the side and back up and in. Sometimes I'll use my knee on it. That one I was able to get back in. Okay. And here we just rotate this back in. Gotta make sure that washer is sitting on the pipe. Use a beveled washer. There we are. Disposal back in. Okay, everything's good there. Check our air gap up top, make sure everything's good there, and it is. Alright, now ready to run. Yeah, nice and quiet. Restored the garbage disposal. It was the knockout plug. So definitely watch for these when you knock it out to take it out. And then use a flat blade knife and turn inside here to make sure everything's good there. And that looks awfully like it's not in there very good either. Man, not too happy with this installer at the moment. I'm going to show you this other spot for the garbage disposal, because my theory is if they didn't take the time to really get that deal, it's probably a ridge inside there. So, and I figured I'd show you this anyway. It's so important. It's a missing step when installing disposals. You see the ridges inside there? All kind of food gunk is going to hang up on there. So what we're going to do is take a flat blade knife. Nice sharp on my new Leatherman. This is my favorite Leatherman, the Victronix Swiss tool. And we're going to go around the inside and just take out those sharp edges so we get a nice smooth edge inside instead. No place for food gunk to hang up. Nice and smooth. Yeah, it's way better. No sharp edges. No place for food gunk to hang up. So okay. Now we're gonna insert that back on a bit further. And then tighten it down. Don't over tighten these. The snug is good. Okay. And on that air gap. Fit back. Tighten that down. We'll get together. Alright. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. That's a garbage disposal fun. Now we'll run it and check for leaks. We're all set there. Good idea to do the pressure test as well. Fill it up with water and force enough water through there to go through. This one, notice the garbage disposal, not garbage disposal, also the dishwasher not working. So what I need to do first is check, do we have power at the dishwasher? Okay, doing the pressure test on the dishwasher. Got enough water there. Turn it on. Plug the plug. Make sure we have no leaks. That's looking great. Alright. Just a quick pressure test. So real quick way to check if you have power at your dishwasher is to take the disposal plug and plug it into the dishwasher deal. If it turns on, yeah, then you have power. So I've got power at my dishwasher. It's probably just the GFI. It's got a built-in GFI here. And the last order of business here as far as the garbage disposal is concerned is to take the cord and wrap it up and over the plumbing so that it doesn't lay right on the floor. It's better for the cord not to be, you know, laying right in the floor if you had a leak or something. That way it doesn't get wet, but just a little bit better way to set it up for the future. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.